Hello and welcome to the Feather Cottage with Dee. Today I'm participating in Holiday Cookie Divas Seasonal Home Autumn Tray Challenge. The requirements are a tray, a candle or a lantern, floral, autumn decor piece, and I'm going to show you how I put it together and why. So come along with me. I'm going to flip the camera around and show you the items I'm picking to try to pick from. If you hear background noise, I apologize. That's my robot vacuum going, and I'd like her to get my house clean. So I'm going to flip the camera around and we'll be right back. Well, I've decided I want to use this tray. In my thrifting video, you would have seen I just got it. It's got a little wear on it, which I think just adds to it right here. So I know I want to use my core pieces, which are always either on the counter or on a tray, which are my cream pitcher. My family likes the different flavored creamers, so I try to keep some in here. So I'm going to put this on here, a little thing of sugar for my daughters that use sugar, and then my little basket that holds my spoons. The other things over here, I don't know. I have been thinking and kind of playing. I don't know that I want a bunch of these leaves. Originally I thought I would, but then I'm thinking when they move stuff and all, they're just going to fall over and make a big mess, or when they're making coffee, they may get coffee in the middle of it. So I want something that's going to be simple to clean up and not get in the way. So I think I'm going to use this vine. I had cut the ends off of it. It had the little rings to hang it, but it makes it hard for things to lay flat on. And I got this at Dollar Tree. I can get it undone. So we're going to start with just placing it. I think the fall colors, and then with my kitchen having this yellow color to it, that when we first moved in here, everything was done kind of in New Orleans motif. And so at the time it really went really pretty. Kind of over it now, so it's about time to repaint. So I think I'm going to start with that as my base. Let me get this. How do I get this more in? Let's see. So we're going to start with that. And I think I want to use this cake stand. Let's see how it looks. Let's see if I can get it in here without it being, well, there we go. Get that room to come around a little more. Okay. Get back there. Oh, goodness gracious. There we go. We'll just do it that way. Okay. And then, like I said, I think I'll put my staple pieces up here. Maybe like so. What do you think? And of course, I want my cute little pumpkin mugs that I thrifted. I'm going to put them down there, I believe. And get the vine to cooperate. Here we go. I'm going to stick some of these little green leaves in here. We'll see. Now, I don't know if I want to use a little pick. Also want to use my little candle holder with one of these tea lights in it. Let's just play and see what that looks like. I think that's cute, but I think I need to maybe move those there. Let's see. I like this little candle holder because it has the little autumn leaf on it. So that gives him my candle requirement. Some floral. We could put this little pick over here. That would sit there okay. I don't know if you can see that over there. And then, oh, I've got to use my little man, my little scarecrow. And I grabbed, this is from those checkerboard games that you get, the 5 games in a box or whatever. And this was the little O for the tic-tac-toe. Let's set him. I think we can set him in the middle. Nope. I'm not so sure I like this here. Let me grab a candle real quick and see, maybe using that. I don't want to glue that. Let's see. Let's stick these up in here. And I could use the little tea lights. Let's see what this looks like. Stick them down and around. That would be kind of candlelight. Make it kind of glow. And at least one back here. Okay, we gotta get you where you're not falling over. I kind of like that. Let's see, did I hit my requirements? I have my tray, candle or lantern light, well, they're tea candles, floral, I have my floral, and I showed you how I put it together. So what do y'all think? Like I said, this is just going over on my coffee bar, and when I move it over there, I'll take a picture and show you what it looks like. It's not a big area, so I don't want a huge tray, but this gets the creamers and the sugar and the spoons and the little cups, and I think it works. Well, I appreciate you stopping by the Feathered Cottage, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and I would love for you to subscribe if you aren't already subscribed, and for those that have already subscribed, thank you, and I hope you're enjoying my channel. Well, I will wish you a blessed week, and until we meet again in the next video, have a great day. Bye-bye. I ended up moving my little scarecrow because he kept falling over. Plus this way, he has that little tea light back there. But I really think it looks cute with the little candles going. And as you can see, it's not a very big area, but I've got my little signs up here. And of course, the infamous coffee maker. My husband's coffee cup. That's his favorite. So, this is everything. There's the little coffee pot I thrifted the other day. Anyway, I thank you, and I hope you've enjoyed this. I just kept it simple, something that would be very practical for fall, and something that added just a little touch of fall over here to the coffee bar. Again, I thank you for watching, and if you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, and until we meet again, have a blessed week.